my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I am Chellbee, the blogger behind Chellbee.com, and every Thursday I post a new video sharing my Thursday thoughts on faith. Today is no different. I am going to be sharing a video as a part of my Morning Coffee with Chellbee series, which is all about sharing Bible study lessons, prayers, and affirmations that are helping me to stay encouraged and uplifted in hopes that I can help you with doing the same. So be sure to grab your coffee, tea, or hot cocoa and sit with me. Today I actually wanted to share a Bible verse that came to me when we were going through a really difficult time as a family. I know I've spoke about this a few times on the Morning Coffee with Chellbee series, but I drew a lot of inspiration during that time. Also, we'll be posting a testimony video soon about all of that good stuff. And so during that time, I actually was fasting and praying. And let me know in the comments below if you want me to post a video about my fasting experience and tips for fasting. So be sure to drop in the comments below to let me know if you're interested in that. And I forgot to mention, as always, you guys, if you're new here, you may not know, I have a blog, Chellbee.com. I always post a link in the description box where you can find a more detailed version of what I'm sharing today. So there will be a detailed blog post to go along with this. So today I actually just wanted to share something I was led by the Holy Spirit to read when we were going through our tough time with everything at my husband's job, which is unfortunately still really not over, which is just so crazy. But you know, we're to the point now, I feel like spiritually and mentally, where we recognize that, you know, we're gonna go through stuff, and we finally, everything clicked, you know, for us as a family, to where we get we're gonna go through stuff, but that's why we have faith, you know. That is that's even more of a reason for us to draw closer to God and not run away from him. And so I think as a family, everything that we went through was so beneficial because it drew us closer to God. We finally have a church home. You know, we started Bible studying together as a family. You know, making prayer, you know, important. For me, I've really gotten into praying, so I'm trying to share more of that here as I dig deeper and dive further into prayer. But it's been such a blessing, you know, something that was absolutely horrible and would devastate so many people. Especially, I could imagine what this could do to someone who doesn't have faith, because it's difficult to deal with adversity, to deal with difficult circumstances, to deal with hard times. And if you don't have your faith to lean on, if you don't have a family and friends who will lift you up in prayer and, you know, help you with just remembering all the good things that you have outside of whatever difficult situation that you have going on, it can really tear you up and tear you apart, and it can tear apart your family. I wanted to share the Bible verse that I was led to read during this time, and it's Psalms 116 I read the whole 116, but verse 1 and 2 is what I wanted to share today. I love the Lord because he has heard my voice and my pleas for mercy, because he inclined his ear to me. Therefore, I will call on him as long as I live. I literally almost fell out of my seat. When I read it, when I began to read it, I was like, oh my goodness. What is the likelihood of me reading this right now with everything that's happening? What is the likelihood that this was going to be the verse that came to me? I literally woke up out of my sleep. And that's what I was hearing, Psalms 116. So what is the likelihood of that? It was just one of those moments of confirmation that everything was going to be okay. And it was just a reminder that that to me, I call these tests. it has a purpose. And I definitely would say, if you are ever going through a really difficult time, if things feel uncertain, fasting makes a huge difference. I am now a huge believer, and I fasted as a kid, but I haven't really fasted since beginning my spiritual journey. So yeah, I literally just wanted to sit down to say that, in case you need to hear it, everything's gonna be okay. God is with you And don't let any circumstance ever cause you to forget that. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I surely enjoyed sitting down and chatting with you here on the couch. So if you did, please be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. And as always, please share this video with anyone that may be going through a hard time. Any of your friends or family who just need a little bit of encouragement. Please do share this video with them. And as always, you guys, be blessed and stay safe. I will see you next Thursday. Bye! And as always, my daughter is here pulling on my wig.